Hello, welcome to Cook Up Style, where we explore sayings and folklore from the Caribbean, along with different terms. Today, we're going to be talking about the term cook up. And cook up is a flavorful meal combining rice, peas, and different types of meats. I am native to Trinidad and Tobago, specifically Tobago. And so I grew up eating cook up often. Usually it involved or contained chicken, some rice, different types of vegetables, and we would have it with Scotch bonnet pepper or different types of pepper sauce or amchar. So in Trinidad and Tobago, we would call it pilau. In Guyana, it's known as cook up rice. Now, I know in other islands, they have rice and peas or peas and rice, depending on where you come from, that are flavored similarly, but may not contain the meat combined with the rice. It may have the meat separately, like the jerk chicken or oxtail or different types of meats. But specifically, when we say cook up, we mean that the meat is combined in there, sort of like what you would have in the United States, what's called a gumbo. So, if you bring back memories, or if it stirs up your curiosity, definitely like and subscribe, share. We're definitely going to have some other terms for you to think about in the upcoming episodes. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day.